Where?
From that place to the husband and wife out of divorce.
Oh,
He sold it from up under her.
wow. Wow, that's a cool beetle. You're a cool beetle.
Dog, you've got black widows.
It's a lot of life teaming.
Right there is black widow.
What's up, Spider?
Right there is black widow. Look at that red on the
Oh,
bottom.
yep, it sure is. Right in the front door.
Yep. And then you have these. Look at these webs here, Taj. These are all black widow webs.
Where?
Right here. You can tell because they're unorganized and they're just free floating webs. Those are black widow webs. Everything down here is black widow webs.
Damn.
You need to. I would definitely.